There is a data architecture idea moving through industry so fast, it has become a buzzword: unified namespace. Behind the hype is a genuinely good idea. Here it is. Minus the hype. The problem it solves is real. In a typical operation, the SCADA has one copy of the data, the historian another, the ERP a third. Connected by dozens of brittle point-to-point integrations, nobody fully remembers. Every new tool means another custom connection. 10 systems, dozens of possible integrations. This is why industrial IT projects die of complexity. The unified namespace answer: one central, live, structured hub where every system publishes what it knows and subscribes to what it needs. All current data in one place, organized like the business actually is. The structure is a hierarchy: enterprise, site, area, Liang, device, usually following the ISA 95 model. Any system can find tank 4 at site 7 by its address, and the address itself tells you what it is. The transport is almost always MQTT, lightweight, publish, subscribe through a broker, with the Sparkplug B convention adding the missing pieces: payload format, birth and death certificates, state management. The payoff: adding a new application stops being an integration project. It connects to the broker, subscribes to the branches it cares about, and it is live. One connection, not 10. A worked example: the RTU publishes tank level once. The SCADA dashboards it, the historian records it, the alarm engine watches it, the ERP reads it for inventory. For consumers, zero custom integrations between them. The honest caveats: the namespace carries current state, not history. You still need a historian subscribing to it, and governance matters. An unmanaged namespace becomes the same spaghetti one layer up. This is why modern platforms are MQTT native. Merobix subscribes to Sparkplug, and MQTT feeds directly. So field data published once lands in dashboards, alarms, and the historian. The namespace pattern delivered as a service. One source of truth, published once, consumed everywhere. Strip away the buzzword, and that is the whole idea. And it is a good one. If this saved you a Google search, subscribe. We publish practical SCADA and oil and gas automation explainers every week, no fluff.